Good morning, lad. I have a job for you.
A job for me?
Aye. Take this bell and watch the flock.
Yes, sir. I'll be the best shepherd.
Good lad. Off you go.
Come on, everyone. Let's go to the hills. The wolf ran away. I scared him off.
Haha, you did it, lad! Brave boy, you saved the flock. Well done, hero. The village is safe.
Wolf! Wolf!
No wolf! Again! This is the last time, boy. You've broken our trust.
Help! The creatures are coming!
That boy again, always lying. It's another lie. Ignore him. Just a lie. Back to work.
Nobody believes a liar, even when he speaks the truth.